Tarun, welcome again, and thank you so much for your time. I do understand how your schedule and how busy you have been, but this means a lot to me. So for our audience, Tarun is the CHRO for Max Bupa Insurance, and before Max Bupa, he was heading HR. He was CHRO for MTS. That's a telecom company. He spent about 7 years there. Prior to that is when I got the opportunity to work with him. Never reported to him formally, but a colleague and a senior that I've always admired. So that was Aditya Birla Retail, and prior to that it was Bharti and then Coca-Cola. So he's been working with the brands and has been building brands throughout his career. And yeah, I think I can talk a lot about it, but I'm sure the conversations and the questions that we would have, we would. I personally am looking forward to this. I've been looking forward to this for quite some time. So Tarun, thank you so much again for your time. If you could tell us a bit more about you and organization you have given us a perspective, but there's something else that you want to add about your organization, that will be helpful.
Uh, so about myself, I think Ketan has given detailed background about me, about my organization. So we are into health insurance, and we have close to around 3,200 on-roll employees across the country. Uh, Sales, predominantly a sales organization, sales and service organization, I would say, with you know uh, USP being that we are our brand. So a lot of people say that our brand is larger than our business. So which actually helps us to do many things which a small company like ours would not have been able to do. So that's something which we take pride in. What we do is to try and match brand promise which we are trying to give to our customers internally as well. That's the only simple aspect we try to do, nothing else. So when we say that we are customer centric, then we make sure that employees within the organization also are able to see us. If we are asking them to be 24/7 available to customers, so there is somebody inside who is listening to them in the same uh, the language is common. That is what we try to do. So across processes, policies, experiences, we try and maintain this employee experience as far as possible. The second the second part which we try to connect is on the digital side, that we have been doing even before pandemic also, because largely this industry earlier used to be extremely manual. If you remember old days, policies were delivered in booklets, etc., etc., and then you had those cards which you have to keep somewhere at home. Then when you need, bring out those cards, utilize them, etc., etc. So slowly the entire customer journey has been converted into a digital experience, right from exploring what are the products, to buying, to getting the policy, to utilization, to claims. So everything is on an app which we deliver to our customers. And same level of experience is given to our partners as well, whether it is agent or bank assurance, etc., etc. So therefore, internally, we try to bring as much digital experience to our employees as well, right? So these are the three strategic bets. One is the brand promise. We try to match as much as possible. Second is this digital experience, what we are trying to give outside customers. So employees also should be able to immediately, even from the pre-joining stage, the person should be able to look and feel. Yeah, this organization, if I'm getting into an organization, it gives me a very simple tech feel for me. And third is on employee engagement. So what we firmly believe in is that in our kind of sector, discretionary effort will make a huge difference to our brand. So when it comes to discretionary effort, it comes right from customer experience at the time of trying to explore the policy, buy the policy, get in touch with us for any clarifications during his stay with us, and when he or she actually decides to or he or she is in a situation where he has to utilize this policy. That's where we strongly believe that this discretionary effort purely comes from employee engagement. So that's where we do extremely strong work on this subject. So we have been amongst top quartile companies in Willis Towers Watson. We get recognized every year. So for last 3 years, we have been amongst top quartile for them, and we take pride in this.